This is how you change the age restriction settings on your iPhone. This will affect which apps appear in the App Store and which music appears in the Music app if you have Apple Music. To change this setting, go into Settings, go to the main settings page and scroll down to Screen Time, and then scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then go to App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and then tap on Apps. On the right-hand side, we can tap on that age, whatever it is, and you can have 4+, 9+, 13+, 16+, 18+, and unrated. Not sure what that means, because 18+ seems to encompass everybody, but you can have unrated as well. You can also have it to don't allow. And so I think that means you're not allowed to install apps, I think. I'm not entirely sure. And it also shows us, once it loads, takes a minute to load, a list of apps and what their age ratings are. So ChatGPT is 13+, Libby, which is our local library app, is 9+, Temu's 13+, or our Wildfire app is 4+, Solitaire is 4+. It's interesting to see what ages they are. I'll put mine back to 18+, and now I'll be able to install whatever apps I want. Also, if you have family sharing enabled, under Screen Time, you'll see your family members here. If you tap on any one of them, and you scroll down to the same place, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then App Store, Media, Web, and Games, you can set the age restrictions for each individual family member as well. Currently, for this one, we have the age set to 16+. But if you want to set it to much younger, you can do that. I've found that some things are rated awkwardly because our daughter, who's 8, wanted to install Canva and play with Canva, make graphics and things. But Canva was an 18+ app. So I had to change her age rating to 18+ so that she could use Canva, which seems weird to me, but that's just how it is. And if you want to check out other privacy settings on your phone that you might want to change because they track you and what you do on your phone, check out this video here where I'd show you how to find them and turn them off if you want to. If you got value from this specific video that you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.